This video shows how to create a recipe using the Converge Oven with simple control. To create a recipe, touch the Recipes icon. Then, touch the plus icon. The step type screen displays. Touch the step type icon to choose the cooking mode for that step. Touch Recipe Name to enter a name for the recipe. Touch the check mark to confirm. Touch Recipe Description to enter a description of the recipe. Touch the check mark. You can change the cooking mode by touching the cooking mode if necessary. Touch the Cook by Time icon or Cook by Probe icon. Touch the cooking time or probe set point temperature. Enter the desired value using the keypad and touch the check mark. Touch the Humidity icon. Enter the humidity percentage using the keypad and touch the check mark. Touch the Chamber Temperature Set Point icon. Enter the chamber temperature set point using the keypad and touch the check mark. Touch the fan speed icon to set the fan speed. Touch the check mark. Touch the plus icon to add a new recipe step. Touch the delete icon to delete a step. Touch the save icon when finished to save the recipe. The new recipe has been created. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.